Welcome to Best Choice. The Best Mast Tour Pro Tattoo Pen is probably one of the most versatile and reliable tools available for both professional tattoo artists and aspiring enthusiasts looking to elevate their craft, offering a seamless blend of power, precision, and user-friendly design that makes intricate line work and smooth shading achievable with remarkable ease, ensuring a comfortable grip for extended sessions and minimizing hand fatigue. Number 5. Mast Tour Cordless Tattoo Pen Machine Kit. Introducing the Mast Tour Cordless Tattoo Pen Machine Kit. Experience the freedom to create without limits, wherever inspiration strikes. This professional-grade rotary machine delivers exceptional performance for all your tattooing needs. Achieve precise lines and smooth shading with ease. Cut the cord and embrace true mobility. The cordless design allows for unrestricted movement, making your tattooing process more comfortable and efficient. Equipped with a replacement battery power supply, it ensures consistent and reliable power. Focus on your art, not on battery life. Designed for use with professional rotary cartridges, it offers a seamless and hygienic tattooing experience. Changing cartridges is quick and effortless. The Mast Tour is more than just a machine, it's your ultimate tattooing companion. Elevate your craft with this innovative and versatile tool. What we like. This machine offers the freedom of cordless operation with an included battery, making it a convenient choice for artists on the go. If you're looking for a hassle-free setup and the ability to move around freely during your tattoo sessions, this is a great option. It's ideal for those who value portability and a streamlined workflow. What people say. The machine is lightweight, quiet, and very comfortable to handle, allowing for precise work during long sessions without causing fatigue. It has good power and stable performance for both lining and shading. This machine is super comfortable to use. It works with most cartridge brands that I have. With the battery attached, I have noticed how well balanced it is. Oh, and no more cords, which is a huge bonus for me. Es una máquina diseñada para micropigmentation o tatuaje cosmético de alta calidad capaz de hacer trazos con excelente estabilidad. Es recargable puedo hacer hasta 5 clientes antes de que necesite cargar nuevamente. Tiene variedad de velocidades y es silenciosa casi no hace ruido. Ligero y precisa. Number 4. Mast Tour Wireless Tattoo Machine Kit. Introducing the Mast Tour, a complete tattoo kit designed for beginners. This package includes everything you need to start your tattooing journey. Experience unparalleled control with its compact and lightweight design. Weighing only 88 grams and measuring just 97 millimeters in length, it ensures effortless handling during long sessions. Powered by the upgraded Core C series motor, it delivers exceptional precision for lining, shading, and color packing. Achieve faster results with less skin trauma. Work for longer with two included 1200 mAh batteries, each providing up to 6 hours of continuous use. Its lightweight build prevents hand fatigue, allowing for extended creative sessions. This comprehensive kit includes the tattoo machine, 2 batteries, and 20 assorted cartridge needles. You'll have all the essentials right out of the box. Enjoy maximum versatility as it is compatible with all standard cartridge needles. This ensures you can use your preferred brands with ease and convenience. What we like. Experience unparalleled comfort with its incredibly compact and lightweight design, perfect for long tattooing sessions without fatigue. The upgraded Core motor ensures precise work for lining, shading, and coloring with minimal skin trauma. If you prioritize ergonomic design and high-quality performance for detailed work, this is the pen for you. What people say. The pen-style machine is super comfortable to use and works perfectly for microblading. It's precise, easy to handle, and makes my work look much more professional. The machine itself is very nice, light, and did not overheat after using it a few times, easily on for 4 to 5 hours at a time. Lightweight, easy portability. Long battery life plus quick charge, wireless, can't stress how convenient this is. Number 3. Mast Fold Pro Tattoo Pen Machine. Introducing the Mast Fold Pro, a versatile wireless tattoo machine designed for every artist. Its powerful motor and customizable stroke lengths offer unparalleled control for all your tattooing needs. Experience the freedom of wireless operation without compromising on power. This device is engineered to deliver consistent performance, whether you're lining, shading, or coloring. With 7 changeable stroke lengths, you can easily adapt this tool to your unique style and technique. It's designed to be the only machine you'll need. Built with a powerful core motor, it ensures smooth and efficient operation. This machine is a reliable partner for professional tattoo artists seeking precision and durability. From intricate details to bold designs, this tattoo pen handles it all. Elevate your craft with a tool that combines innovation, power, and adaptability. What we like. This pen provides exceptional versatility with its adjustable stroke length, allowing you to customize it for lining, shading, and coloring. The powerful core motor ensures smooth and efficient operation for all tattoo artists. If you're an artist who enjoys experimenting with different techniques and needs a single machine that can handle it all, this is an excellent choice. What people say. The wireless feature makes it super convenient, no more dealing with cables while tattooing. The 2 batteries last a long time, and it's great to have one charging while the other is in use. The machine runs smoothly and quietly, with consistent power output. The adjustable stroke length is a big plus, allowing me to switch easily between lining and shading. The grip feels comfortable even during long sessions, and the build quality is solid and professional. The machine itself is sturdy, solid, heavy. Runs super quiet with minimal vibration. And after several sessions, the battery hasn't run out on me once. After a 5-hour session, it still seemed to have enough juice to run for another hour. Number 2. Mast Tour Pink Tattoo Pen Kit. Discover the Mast Tour Pink Tattoo Kit, your all-in-one solution for starting your tattooing journey. This complete package is designed with beginners in mind. Experience professional-grade equipment made easy to use. It includes a smooth rotary tattoo machine and all the essential accessories you need to begin. This kit comes with 20 Pro cartridge needles, ensuring you have high-quality tools for your first creations. Get ready to bring your designs to life. The ergonomic pink pen offers a comfortable grip for extended use. Its reliable performance ensures consistent results for your artwork. With comprehensive tattoo accessories included, this kit provides everything you need to practice and perfect your skills. Start creating stunning tattoos today. What we like. This is a fantastic complete tattoo kit designed specifically for beginners, offering everything you need to start tattooing right away. It comes with professional cartridges and all essential accessories, making the learning process smoother. If you're just starting your tattooing journey and want a comprehensive, easy-to-use kit, especially if you appreciate a stylish pink aesthetic, this is the perfect starting point. What people say. It came in beautifully packaged boxes with a lot of extras including practice skin stencil applicant and everything you need to tattoo the day you receive your box. I think the quality has seriously improved and I am more than impressed and grateful for my purchase. The machine itself and the cartridges it comes with are awesome. This is a new power bank with a magnet and I hope this one lasts better. I use machine for lip tattoo and honestly this is better than my more expensive machines. I can see the pixels of pigment and it's smooth. The hit is soft so it's great for permanent makeup. I personally ordered the wireless battery and think this is the best gun to learn on. I buy every student that learns PMU from me this same gun. I have purchased the Y22 and P60 and still find myself gravitating towards this machine due to how quiet it is. Number 1. Mast Fold Pro Year of Dragon Edition Tattoo Machine. Introducing the Mast Fold Pro Year of Dragon Edition. This cordless tattoo machine offers unparalleled freedom and precision for your creative endeavors. Equipped with the advanced Core C3 motor, it delivers consistent power for smooth, flawless lines and shading. Experience the difference in every stroke. Cut the cord and embrace true mobility. Its cordless design allows you to work without limitations, wherever inspiration strikes. Celebrate artistry with this special edition. Its unique design adds a touch of elegance to your professional toolkit. Crafted for comfort, its ergonomic pen-style design ensures a natural grip, reducing fatigue during long sessions. Focus on your art, not the tool. Looking for the perfect gift for a fellow artist? This premium tattoo machine is a thoughtful and impressive choice for any professional. What we like. This special edition machine combines a powerful Core C3 motor with a cordless design, offering both performance and freedom of movement. Its unique Year of the Dragon design makes it a standout piece for collectors and artists alike. If you're looking for a high-performance machine with a distinctive aesthetic and the convenience of wireless operation, this limited edition is a must-have. What people say. The throw adjustment helps with power lines and helps shift for peppery shading to smooth saturation. It pushes curved mags and heavy round liners with ease. Adjustable, this has a huge range of adjustable stroke. Has the power to push heavy needle configurations but can be adjusted in voltage and stroke to do PMU with it. It comes with 2 interchangeable grips, 2 rechargeable batteries, and an RCA connector piece if you prefer to plug in. Came with all the cords to use it and charge it. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.